Football is where we kick off. Jamaica's Reggae girls could create history on Wednesday with victory over Panama at the CONCACAF Championships for a spot at the 2019 World Cup in France. Karen Madden has our preview.
The Reggae girls, who danced through their Caribbean opponents, are on the cusp of a history-making appearance in next year's World Cup, but must get by a wily Panama team in Wednesday's third-place playoff to secure the final automatic spot. The Reggae girls were beaten 2-0 by Canada in their opening group game and then surprised Costa Rica 1-0 before dispatching Cuba 9-0 to earn their semi-final spot. Panama defeated Trinidad 3-0 before being thrashed 5-0 by the United States, but bounced back to shock Mexico 2-0. Both teams went down to heavy defeats in their semi-final, with Panama being beaten 7-0 by Canada and the World Cup champions, the United States, handing the Jamaicans a 6-0 defeat. But all that is behind the teams, and the focus is now completely on grabbing the final automatic spot for France 2019. On the disciplinary table, both teams have featured for their aggressive style of play, with Panama having the most yellow cards so far with 6, and Jamaica recording the most fouls with 42. Not much separates the teams in the CONCACAF rankings either, with Jamaica ranked at 7 and Panama at 10. The Jamaicans will be hoping first-choice goalkeeper Sydney Schneider is at her save of the game best, as she was against Costa Rica after being rested in the Cuba game. University of Tennessee senior Khadijah Bunny Shaw will also need to be at her prolific best and hope for support from the hard-running Trudy Carter. Assistant coach Anja Price says the team is in a confident mood and not even the cold temperatures will damper their spirits.
We decided to go outdoors today despite the weather conditions because we want to simulate the conditions that will be obtained for tomorrow's game at 4. So we had a very lively session outdoors, and we really went through a lot of the drills and things that we want to do tomorrow. And the girls are in great spirits. Temperature is about 46 degrees, so it's a bit cold, but they adjusted very well. And that's one of the reasons why we really force ourselves to train outdoors today and not indoors, because we want to really get them used to the conditions that we'll obtain for tomorrow, and they're rearing and ready to go.
Jamaica have scored 10 goals in the semi-final round to Panama's 5, and the hopes are high that Wednesday's game will put them a spot in France.
There are no real injury concerns, just a little niggles, but I believe that everybody's available and rearing to go. We know it's the most important game of the entire tournament, and it's a must-win game, so we are mentally and physically prepared, and we just want to go out there and do our best so that we can qualify for France 2019.
The loser of Wednesday's game will have another chance of making it to the World Cup when they face Argentina in November. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.